The drones, they used to be something out of a sci-fi movie. Now, they're everywhere, and they're not just toys anymore. Drones are changing how we film, deliver packages, even inspect bridges. Want to learn how to fly these things? You're in the right place. Let's do this. First things first, you got to know what you're controlling. Imagine a joystick in each hand. That's basically it. The left stick controls your altitude and rotation. Push it up, the drone goes up. In other words, throttle. Down, it goes down. Left and right, you guessed it, the drone spins around itself. The right stick is all about movement. Push it forward, the drone moves forward. Backwards, it goes backwards. Now let's move left and right. That's how you move sideways. Got it? Good. Now let's get this thing off the ground. Time to fly. Taking off is simple. Just push the throttle up slowly and smoothly. Watch the drone lift off the ground. Now you're flying. Landing is the reverse. Slowly bring the throttle down until the drone touches down gently. Easy, right? Once you're comfortable with taking off and landing, try flying forward, backward, left and right. Remember, use that right stick. Want to go higher or lower? That's what the throttle's for. Just remember, smooth and steady wins the race. No jerky movements. Ready to step up your game? Advanced maneuvers, here we come. Inverted hover sounds scary, but it's all about control. Flip the drone upside down and maintain a stable hover. Practice makes perfect. Flips, piece of cake. Just use the right stick to initiate a quick flip in any direction. Just make sure you have enough altitude. You don't want to crash into the ground. Full rolls? Same idea as flips, just a full 360-degree rotation. These maneuvers take practice, but they look super cool. Alright, so drones come with different flight modes. Each mode changes how the drone responds to your controls. Now let's dive into these modes. Angle mode is the beginner mode. It's the most stable and forgiving. The drone will try to self-level, making it easier to control. Then we have horizon mode, which gives you more control. The drone will tilt further, allowing for faster speeds and sharper turns. And finally, there's acro mode. Acro mode is for the pros. The drone won't self-level at all. You have complete control, but it's way harder to fly. Section 5, Tech to Impress, additional flight modes and features. Drones are packed with cool features. Air mode lets you fly the drone even if the GPS signal is lost. Super helpful in a pinch. Altitude hold keeps the drone at a constant height. Great for taking photos and videos. GPS modes use satellites to help you track the drone and even plan autonomous flights. 3D mode lets you fly the drone in any orientation. Sounds crazy, right? It's awesome. Turtle mode flips the drone over if it lands upside down. Pretty smart, huh? Section 6. Practice makes perfect, honing your drone flying skills. The best way to learn is by doing. Start with a drone simulator. It's way cheaper than crashing a real drone, plus you can practice anywhere. Once you're comfortable in the simulator, it's time for the real deal. Find a wide open space, away from people and obstacles. Start slow and gradually try more advanced maneuvers. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you fly, the better you'll get. Section 7. Safety first. Responsible drone operation. Drones are fun, but safety is key. Always check your local drone regulations. Respect privacy. Don't fly over people or private property. Inspect your drone before every flight. Make sure the batteries are charged and the propellers are secure. Fly responsibly. It's not just about you, it's about everyone's safety. Be a good drone pilot. It's about respecting the skies and the people below them. Conclusion: the sky's the limit, so there you have it. The basics of drone flight. From simple maneuvers to advanced tricks, the possibilities are endless. Just remember to practice safe and responsible flying. Now, get out there and explore the world from a whole new perspective.